News Moment, and you are watching News Moment English. Today's headline: Now in CheckBounce cases, if in Churulia Lada village of West Bengal, local people do strong protest by blocking the way of trucks carrying sand from Ajay River. The locals come forward to stop the drug gang. A drug dealer was catched and handed to the police. Bulldozer running an illegal construction by filling pond in Asansol, Jyotinagar. Employees and school students are getting involved in SwachhtaPakhwada of ISP.
Please like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830285.
Start shipping with e-com delivery. For PIN code franchise courier contact. Please contact 9774030 17593 to 758-597-1093.
In cash at home row, Delhi High Court withdraw Judge Yashwant Verma from active duty.
Justice Yashwant Verma, the Delhi High Court judge, has been removed from active duty with immediate effect till further orders, Delhi High Court Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyaya said Monday morning. According to the Delhi High Court website, Justice Verma, appointed in October 2021, heads a division bench dealing with matters relating to sales tax, goods and services tax, company appeals, etc. This follows the Supreme Court forming a 3-member committee consisting of the Chief Justices of the Punjab and Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Karnataka High Courts to investigate the matter. Justice Verma said last week neither he nor any member of his family kept money in the outhouse, a structure he said is disconnected from the main residence, is kept unlocked, and can be accessed by anybody else. He also declared himself truly shocked and claimed a conspiracy against him. Justice Verma also said his family's cash withdrawals are documented and always through regular banking channels, the use of UPI applications and cards. The controversy around Justice Verma broke last week when news of the cash was made public, and the Supreme Court Collegium decided to return him to the Allahabad High Court.
An important meeting was organized in Pratiksha Bhavan of Asansol Municipal Corporation to conduct the grand procession of Ram Navami in the smooth and peaceful manner.
In the meeting, police officers discussed with the members of 22 Akhra committees, took their opinion and informed them about the administrative rules. During this, several important points were emphasized. The security of the procession routes will be ensured. A strict vigil will be kept on all kinds of antisocial elements, and if anyone creates ruckus after drinking alcohol, immediate action will be taken. SCP of Asansol Police Traffic Department, Station In Charge, Asansol South Police Station In Charge Kaushik Kundu, and other administrative officers were present in the meeting. Everyone appealed for cooperation from the Akhra committees and said that everyone should celebrate the festival with brotherhood and peace by following the rules.
Now in CheckBounce cases, if
the Supreme Court recently said that if both the parties mutually reach a settlement in a CheckBounce case, then the court should dispose of it expeditiously. The court believes that dragging on such cases for a long time does not benefit anyone. The Supreme Court said that thousands of cases related to CheckBounce are pending across the country, many of which continue for years without reason. This creates unnecessary pressure on the court and slows down the justice process. It is worth mentioning that according to Indian law, if someone's check bounces, it is considered a punishable offence. Under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881, the accused may face both punishment and fine.
On behalf of Parvelia Koirali, a sheet was covered which is called Chadar Poshi on the tomb of Bir Baba at Dishargarh, Parth Place located in Ward number 105 of Asansol Municipal Corporation.
As per reports from working editor Vikas Prasad on the occasion, agents of Parvelia Kaliri manager, personnel manager and labour organisations Radhesham Sao, Bodh Narayan Singh, Hari Ram Singh, Damodar Singh, Mo Farooq, Mo Kaleem, Ashlok Singh, Deen Bandhu Singh and others were present. Labour leader Ramashankar Singh, secretary of the Puja Committee, said that we have deep faith in Pir Baba. On behalf of all the workers, we wished for the regular functioning of the Kaliri and the safety of the workers, so that the people of the entire Kaliri area live a happy, prosperous and safe life.
In Churulia Lada village of West Bengal, local people do strong protest by blocking the way of trucks carrying sand from Ajay River.
As per reports from Manoj Sharma, villagers say that the condition of the roads has become worse due to heavy vehicles carrying sand from Ajay River. Due to the rain, the road has caved in at many places, causing a lot of trouble to the village people and school children. The people of the village stopped the trucks laden with sand and started raising slogans against the administration. The protesters clearly said, roads should be repaired immediately. There should be a ban on trucks carrying sand. The movement will continue until a solution is found.
The locals come forward to stop the drug gang. A drug dealer was catched and handed to the police.
As per reports from Lali Gupta recent incident in Lachipur's Chavka area has created a lot of excitement among the local residents. It was alleged that a man was selling drugs in the area, after which angry locals tied him up. On receiving the information, the police of Niamtpur outpost of Kulti police station reached the spot and rescued the person and took him to the outpost. This incident is not just an isolated case, but an example of the growing influence of drugs on the youth of the area. Locals claim that youths are going astray due to the sale of drugs in Chavka area, which is a matter of deep concern for the society. On the other hand, according to local Trinamool leader Bachu Roy, if the police administration takes strict action, it is possible to stop all illegal activities in the area.
Bulldozer running a illegal construction by filling pond in Asansol Jyotinagar.
As per reports from Sitaram, bulldozer runs on illegal construction done by filling pond in Asansol Jyotinagar is once again in the news due to illegal construction of ponds and settlement of plots. On the basis of complaint, action has been started in the Municipal Corporation. The Municipal Corporation team this morning took action against the illegal construction done by filling the pond in Jyotinagar and demolished it. The action of the Municipal Corporation has created a stir. The pond located in Palashdihamoja under Asansol North Police Station was filled and its land was sold for crores. Investigation found that earlier there was a pond at these places which was filled and sold, after which an FIR has been registered against those accused of selling the land as well as those who have purchased the land.
Asansol South Mala Agrimita Pal heard the problem of people in Kali Pahadi.
When people complained about huge irregularities in ration, the MLA herself reached the spot and called the accused ration dealer in front of the public. There are irregularities in the entire ration system in the state. The ration sent by the central government is not being distributed properly, rather the Chief Minister is making false propaganda regarding this. When the MLA questioned the ration dealer, the dealer rejected the allegations outright. He said, "We are distributing ration as per government rules. Ration cards of many people have been changed, which may lead to misunderstanding. It is not our fault in this."
Employees and school students are getting involved in SwachhtaPakhwada of ISP.
As per reports from Surjit Sen Gupta 306 students enthusiastically participated in the painting competition organized at Burhanpur Boys Primary School and realized the vision of a clean future through their art. Cleanliness drive and Shramdan were organized in Burhanpur Boys Primary School and township areas to encourage active participation. To raise awareness towards reducing plastic waste, the Medical and Health Services Department set up an eye-catching selfie booth at Burhanpur Hospital, where 50 employees spread the message of stopping the use of single-use plastics and adopting sustainable alternatives.
Part meeting organized by the Bengali Chemists and Druggist Association.
As per Rep 0 RTS from Pawan Sharma, a strong demand was raised to remove GST on medicines and ban the sale of counterfeit medicines. Hundreds of drug dealers and pharmacists associated with the organization participated in this meeting and appealed to the government to take strict action on the quality of medicines. Organization member Gopal Acharya said that fake medicines are being sold indiscriminately in Bengal, including Raniganj, which can prove fatal for the health of the general public. Appealed to scan the QR code while purchasing medicines and purchase only from certified medicine sellers. Many medical stores display large boards offering discounts of up to 70%, but these discounts may indicate counterfeit or low-quality medicines. He appealed to the people not to fall prey to such huge discounts as it could pose a serious threat to health. Make it mandatory to take cash memo on every medicine purchase and buy medicine only after scanning the QR code. The best protection is to avoid counterfeit medicines.
At last, it's time for today's SMS of the moment.
One of the most valuable gift is an honest friend.
We hope you like our video. If you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.